And at times this afternoon, we did see some heavy downpours in parts of the area. Not the case right now. Things have been trending much quieter over the course of the last couple of hours. Still a little bit of light rain along Route 2230 from about Robinson out toward the Weirton area, and maybe a couple spritzes in through parts of Westmoreland County, but the trend will continue. Things are going to be tapering off here as we approach the midnight hour. As we head through the overnight period, again, a quiet setup. First thing tomorrow morning, also quiet, maybe some clouds, some peaks of sunshine, perhaps at times early in the day, but generally not much cooking until we get toward the latter half of the day tomorrow. Say after 3, 4 o'clock, you could see a line of showers and some embedded, potentially stronger thunderstorms approaching, moving through the area. I think our time frame, our window of opportunity here will be about 4 o'clock or so, give or take, up through about 7 or 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. As that action moves on through, then things will quiet down and a cold front will follow tomorrow night. That front will bring with it a much more comfortable setup for the latter half of the weekend. But with showers and potentially a couple stronger storms tomorrow, the main threat is going to be for heavy downpours. The secondary threat will be the potential of gusty winds. Live picture of downtown Pittsburgh, not crystal clear because we have a lot of moisture in the atmosphere, and there's a pretty close setup between the air temperature and the dew point value. They're right up against one another, so humidity 100%. Winds are light enough with the amount of moisture in the atmosphere that we may see some patchy fog in parts of the area overnight tonight and first thing tomorrow morning. 67 in Cranberry right now. Still 70 in Churchill and Greensburg, 69 in Bethel Park. Moon's at 68, so is Elwood City. 68 in Butler, Indiana, Latrobe, 70 in West Mifflin. Here's a look at the temperature trend. Not going much lower tonight. Mid-60s will be the lowest across the area, and then our highs tomorrow around 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon should at least reach the low 80s. And going to be a warm, sticky day once again, but then that front comes through, and watch what happens to temperatures. We move ahead 24 hours from right now, 11 o'clock tomorrow night. Temperatures in the mid-60s. They may come down a couple more degrees by first thing Saturday morning. 64 in Moon, 63 in Washington, but then Saturday afternoon. These are your high temperatures, mid, maybe upper 70s across the area with much lower levels of humidity, so relief is in sight. The disturbance and boundary responsible for focusing showers across the area today is now moving away. Again, a quiet setup tonight, early tomorrow, and then things start to blossom and develop in the latter half of the afternoon on toward early evening. The cool front will then follow through the area tomorrow night. It's going to be through by first thing Saturday morning. Cooler, drier, more comfortable air mass swings in behind for the rest of the weekend. Forecast tonight, 66 the low temperature, muggy with a leftover shower, a sprinkle for about another hour or so, then patchy fog possible. Tomorrow, the high temperature, 82, warm, humid. In the afternoon, showers, maybe a couple of stronger thunderstorms. Our window about 3 o'clock through about 7 or 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. Front sweeps through, clears us out over the weekend. Saturday's high, 77. Cloud sunshine. Sunday, a gorgeous day, mostly sunny, 78. And temperatures nudge back into the low 80s early next week. Susan.